Are you struggling with bladder control? Or perhaps you're looking to improve your core strength, pelvic health, or even enhance your intimate moments? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kegel exercises, the simple, yet life-changing moves you can do anytime, anywhere, to unlock incredible health benefits. By the end of this video, you'll know 6 highly effective Kegel exercises that can transform your daily life. But here's the catch: you don't need fancy equipment or hours of time. You just need commitment and a few minutes a day. Stick with me to the end, and I'll reveal a bonus tip that can supercharge your results. First, let's talk about why Kegel exercises are a game changer. Your pelvic floor is a powerful, hammock-like group of muscles located at the base of your pelvis. These muscles play a critical role in bladder control, sexual health, and even posture. But, as we age, factors like childbirth, surgery, or simply sitting for long periods can weaken these muscles. The good news? You can strengthen them with Kegels, and the results can be profound. Imagine this: no more worrying about sneezing or laughing too hard. No more interruptions to your daily life because of weak pelvic muscles. And the best part? Improved overall confidence in every area of your life. Now, before we dive into the 6 exercises, let's ensure you're doing Kegels correctly. This is crucial because without proper form, you might not see the results you're hoping for. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you're trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. Those are your pelvic floor muscles contracting. Hold that feeling. Now relax. Got it? Great. You've just done a basic Kegel contraction. But beware, don't make the common mistake of holding your breath or tightening your abs and glutes. Kegels are about isolating the pelvic floor. Keep everything else relaxed, and let's get started. The first exercise is the basic squeeze and release. This is the foundation of all Kegel exercises. Sit comfortably or lie down if you're new to Kegels. Contract your pelvic floor muscles, hold for 5 seconds, and then release. Repeat this 10 times. It's simple, but don't underestimate its power. With consistency, you'll start feeling stronger in just a few weeks. Here's the exciting part: this exercise is so discreet, you can do it while waiting at a red light, sitting in a meeting, or even watching your favorite TV show. No one will ever know you're strengthening your body. Now, let's move to the endurance hold. This is where we take things up a notch. Contract your pelvic floor muscles and hold them for 10 seconds. Focus on maintaining a steady, even contraction. Then release and rest for 10 seconds. Do this 5 times to start, and as you get stronger, aim for 10 repetitions. You might feel a slight burn at first. That's a good sign. It means your muscles are working. Just like any other part of your body, these muscles need training to grow stronger. Our third exercise is the elevator lift. Picture an elevator moving up and down. Begin with a gentle squeeze, as if lifting the elevator to the first floor. Hold for a second, then squeeze a little tighter for the second floor. Continue until you reach your maximum contraction. Let's call it the 5th floor. Then slowly reverse the process, relaxing floor by floor until you're back to neutral. Repeat this 3 to 5 times. This one requires a bit of imagination, but it's incredibly effective at improving control and strength. And the best part? The slow, gradual movement ensures you're targeting every layer of your pelvic floor. Next, we have Flutter Kegels. Think of this as quick, rhythmic contractions. Contract and release your pelvic floor muscles as fast as you can for 10 seconds. Rest for 20 seconds, then repeat. This exercise is excellent for building muscle endurance and coordination. Feel that energy surge. Flutter Kegels not only strengthen your muscles, but also get your blood flowing, leaving you feeling more alive and invigorated. Now, let's try progressive relaxation Kegels. This exercise is the opposite of contracting. It's about becoming aware of your pelvic floor's resting state. Start by gently contracting the muscles, then slowly release them bit by bit until you feel completely relaxed. Repeat this 5 times. It's an excellent way to connect with your body and release built-up tension. The final exercise is dynamic Kegels. Combine your pelvic floor contractions with gentle body movements like squats or pelvic tilts. For example, while doing a squat, contract your pelvic floor as you lower your body and relax as you come back up. This integration helps your pelvic floor work in harmony with other muscle groups, enhancing overall stability and strength. Remember, the key to seeing results with Kegels is consistency. Start small, just 5 minutes a day, and gradually build up. You'll be amazed at how these simple exercises can improve your confidence, health, and quality of life. And here's the bonus tip I promised. Consider adding biofeedback tools to your routine. These devices help you track your progress and ensure you're engaging the right muscles. It's like having a personal trainer for your pelvic floor. You've just unlocked the secrets to a stronger, healthier pelvic floor. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start incorporating these 6 exercises into your daily routine, and don't forget to share your journey in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier you.